Welcome back to Business Mathematics 2, MA 1203. We are still discussing the application of the matrix that is on the Leontief model and eigen. For this session, we are going to discuss about the eigen. Eigen is a German word or Dutch word that means I own, eigen. Okay, yeah? Let A be a matrix. I have this symmetric matrix. I want to know whether there is a non-zero factor x bar such that A times x bar is a multiple of x bar. Okay, yeah? So in mathematics, I want to find x bar and lambda. Lambda is a real value, and x is a vector. I want to find lambda and x bar such that A times x equals lambda times x bar. Okay, yeah? This factor x bar is called usually eigenvector. This is the characteristic of this matrix. Why it is known as characteristic, we will discuss again later or in the class. Yeah? And the multiplication factor lambda is what you usually call the eigenvalue. Look closely to the geometrical meaning of this equation. If x is a factor, then A times x is a factor, but usually is not a multiple of x. Don't forget, if you have x bar times A, it can be a if A is a reflection matrix, A times X is the reflection of X bar. Okay. If A is the rotation matrix, then A times X bar is the rotation of factor X. So in general, if I multiply A times X, it becomes another factor, but not a multiple of X. So we want to have A times X is just like a dilation effect. Okay. Example 1, 2 transpose is not an eigenvector because if I multiply this, it will become 7 and 5. And 7 and 5 is not a multiple of 1, 2. So 1, 2 is not an eigenvector. Okay, yeah? Okay. And then what about 1, 1 transpose? What about 1, 1? Factor 1, 1. Is this an eigenvector of A? If I multiply this 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 1, it will become 4, 4. And 4 is 1, 4 times 1, 1. Oh, okay. Then 1, 1 is an eigenvector of this with the eigenvalue is 4. 4 is an eigenvalue. 1, 1 is eigenvector that correspond to this eigenvalue. Okay, so this is the eigenvector of this matrix and 4 is the eigenvalue of this matrix. Okay, so this is an eigenvalue. The question is, are there any other? And how do we find one without using trial and error method? Okay, then this is the method. We can find eigenvector and value as follows. Let A be the same matrix, the symmetric matrix 1, 3, 3, 1. We want to find x bar and lambda. Lambda is a real number, x bar is factor, such that A times x is equals lambda times x bar. This is the same as finding x such that this, and I can x bar is I times x bar, and you can use distributive law to have this one. Okay, so we are looking for x bar, solution of system of linear equation, but remember the solution we seek must not be zero, because we are not talking about the, remember the x bar we seek must be zero. No, I mean must not be zero, because we are not talking about the trivial solution. We want to have x that is non-zero. We want to find x that is non-zero. But if you solve this one, the solution usually is 0, 0. Okay, yeah? The solution is usually 0, 0. You have to find out why. So, except the solution has infinitely many solutions. If the solution has infinitely many solutions, then I can have x that is not 0. But If you have just only one solution, the solution must be 0, 0. Can you tell why? Do you know why? Okay, yeah. Try to think this on your own. Okay, yeah. And remember, to have an infinitely many solution in this case, you have to have the determinant of this should be equal to 0. So, if you want to find x and lambda such that satisfy this, you just have to find when the determinant of this matrix A minus lambda I becomes 0. Okay, yeah? Why? Think to yourself, yeah. And then, so we only have to solve determinant equals 0. Very easy. This one, yeah, determinant A minus lambda I equals 0. And you have this is A times lambda times identity. Don't forget lambda is just a real number. So you have this one. Okay, 1 minus lambda for the first component, the first row and first column. First row, second column, that is 3 minus 0, so 3. And you have this one, and you can find the determinant, the diagonal minus the anti-diagonal. So you have this one, and you can expand this, and you can simplify this, and you can factor out this, and you have lambda equal 4 and minus 2. It fits. Lambda equal 4 is an eigenvalue. Remember, eigenvalue with the factor eigen 1, 1, with the eigenfactor 1, 1. Okay. Now, how can we get this 1, 1 factor? Okay. Then I substitute eigenvalue 4 to the first equation. So lambda equal 4 to this equation. So I have this one. Okay, yeah? And I have this one. So I want to find x that satisfies this. Okay, and you have infinitely many solutions. So you cannot use Cramer. You cannot use your high school method. You have to use the elementary row operation, the Gauss-Jordan elimination method. Okay, so you can find this minus 3, 3, 3 minus 3. I left out the constant 0, 0, yeah. But you can add extra column 0, 0, extra column 0, 0, but that doesn't change. Okay, and I can use elementary row operation such that you have this. What does this mean? You have x minus y equals 0. So you have to let y is the arbitrary real number s, then x equals y, x equals y, y equals s, then x equals s. So the solution is given by this. But s can be out, so you have 1, 1. This one is the eigenvalue. This one is the eigenvalue. But remember, s cannot be 0 because I want to seek a non-trivial solution, a non-zero solution. But you can ask, Pak, is 2 an eigenvector also? Good question. Good question. Is 2 an eigenvector also? Let's see. And yes. And yes. So the multiple of 1, 1 is an eigenvector also. So if you multiply with the matrix, it will give you 4 times that factor. Okay, yeah? Okay, what about 3, 3, square root of 2, square root of 2? What do you think? Okay, yeah? Okay. The last part is finding eigenvector for eigenvalue minus 2. Okay, you can use the same procedure and you end up with 1 minus 1 or multiple of this, but not multiple of 0. Okay, yeah? A cool application to this eigenvalue is this. Try to find a to the power of 5x. A is this, and x is the eigenvector 1 minus 1 with the corresponding eigenvalue lambda equals minus 2. So a to the power of 5x is a to the power of 5 times ax, but a times x is lambda x. Okay, you agree? Okay, lambda I can get it out, so I have a to the power of 4 times x. But a to the power of 4 times x is a to the power of 3 times ax. And a to the power of x is lambda x. And again, I can do the same game until I have lambda to the power of 5x. So, instead of multiplication of this 5 times this, you can just lambda minus 2 to the power of 5 times this is the same as a to the power of 5 times x. Cool, isn't it? Okay ya. I think this is the end of the eigen. So you have a to the power of 5 times x is minus 32 without you have to multiply a 5 times. Very cool. Okay, we will see on the next session, that is the new chapter on the linear programming. Thank you very much.